for the function called cube root. Okay, cube root. So we go tell you what are the objectives for today's lesson. Okay, today you will learn what is cube root. Okay, what is cube root? So we're going to teach you how to represent the relationship between the two sets in order pair. Means that we are talking about two sets, can be a A and can be a B. So we're going to use this A and the B to do the order pair. Okay, order pair. So now we look at this relationship here. Okay, for example, you can see this relationship between two sets of A and B. You have relationship of A. So this A you have 343, 125, and 8. So now you have three items in your set A. Okay. So in your set B, you have 4 items here. Number 2, number 5, number 7, and number 9. Okay, this one is defined by the cube root. Okay, so we're going to do the calculation. How are you going to define this under the cube root? Okay, so represent this relationship with order pair. You're going to do in order. Okay, must be in order. Mean order, you have to use the for your set number A. So the set A go to the set B. So must be in order. So you need to choose the answer. Can be a A, can be a B, can be a C, or can be a D. Okay, now you look through A. So what is the answer in your A? Okay, 343, then 125, and 8, 9. Okay, to do the order for 343, for 7, okay, we go use the calculator, see whether you answer it or not. Okay, if you use A for 343, 7, okay, so we're going to do this calculation. We use the okay, I use this calculator. Okay, we're going to do the addition. So it will be 7, 3. So 343. Okay. Okay, so the set A 343 means that 7 times 7 times 7, you get 343. Okay, this part A correct. Then we do the second part. So 5, you use this one times by the 3. So you get 125, mean that 5 times 5 times 5, mean that you're going to time 3 times. Okay, so this part, second one is correct. Okay, now we do the third one. So it will be 9 times 3. You get 729. So this one is wrong. Okay, so we cannot use number A. The answer is not A. Okay, so we move on to B. 343, 9. Okay, as you know, the A part is 343, 7. This part is correct, but the B part here is wrong. So we ignore the B because the B part here is not correct. Okay, so we go to C now. 343, 7. Just now you didn't show. I'll show you how. I'll show you again. Time by this formula. Cube root of 3. You get 343. So it's correct. Then 125. Just now I already show you. 5 times this equation. You get 125. So it's correct. Then the final is 2. Divided by this equation of 3 equal to 8. So the answer it should be C. Okay, C. So we show you the how we do the solution. Okay, now we move on to the next. Okay, these are the solutions. Solution is C. Okay, these are the how do we do the cube root. Okay, cube root of 343 is 7. Represent as, so this one we call 343, 7. Okay, this is the what you call the order pair. So this is the first order pair, okay, for 343. Okay, now the second order will be 125 is 5. So the order pair will be 125, 5. Okay, so these are the second order pair. Okay, second order pair. Then the third order pair will be cube root is of 8 is 2, represent as 8, 2. So the order pair will be C. So 343, 7, means that we take the first order, followed by the second order. So second order is 125, 5. And the third order is on the right side, is 8, 2. Okay, so these are the solution for number C. Okay, as you can see, these are the questions for your set A and your set B. You need to do the relationship between these two. Then you need to define the cube root. Then you get your order pair. So the solution is C. Okay, your answer for C. Okay, so this is how you do your relationship for two set of A and B. Okay, now we move on to the next item. Okay, now we have another example. Okay, relationship of set A 1000, 1331, 8. So now we're going to do to the set B. So 11, 10, 2, and 9. So we're going to define by the cube root again. Okay, so how are we going to represent the relationship? So we use the example just now what we did just now. Follow the same step how we do it. Okay, okay, if 1000 to do the cube root, how you to do it? You take the 10 for example, followed by this formula. You select this formula times by the 3. So meaning the cube root of 3 equal to 1000. So this one is correct. Okay, it's 10. So the next one, okay, we take 2, select this equation, times 3 equal to 8. So this one we cannot use, okay, for the second, for the A. Okay, so we go to B. Okay, B, the first part is correct. The second one, we do the calculation again. So will be 11, followed by this formula, cube root of 3 equal 1331. So this one is correct. Okay, so we have to use 11 because cube root of 11 is 1331. Okay, so this is how we do it. Okay, the next one, 8, 2. So we're going to take the 2, then use this equation by the 3 equal to 8. So the answer should be correct. So we get 8 here. So the answer should be B. Okay, now we move on to the solution part. Okay, the solution is B. Okay, so now we look at the how we do the cube root. Okay, the cube root of 1000 is 10. Okay, means that you need to time 10 times 10 times 10. We need to time 3 times. Okay, cube root you always time 3 times. Okay, so you should get 1000. Okay, so you represent as 1000. So comma by the 10. Okay, so 10 is the cube root for 1000. Okay, the second one. Okay, cube root of 1331 is 11. Represent as 1331, 11. Okay, so this is the cube root of 11. So mean that 11 times 11 times 11, you need to time 3 times. Okay, cube root always time 3 times. Okay, it's not the square root. Square root you only time 2 times only. This one we call the formula for the square root. So we are learning the cube root. Cube root you always time 3 times, time the same value 3 times. Okay, okay, the cube root of 8 is 2. Why 2? Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 times 2 how many? Is 8. Okay, you need to times 3 times. So you automatically you get 8. Okay, so 8, 2. Okay, then finally after that you do the arrangement. This will be B, mean that 1000, B, 1331, 11. Then the last one is 8, 2. Okay, so this is how you do your cube root for the relationship. Okay, so if you're not sure, you can WhatsApp to me, or you can send comments to my video. Okay, so this is our short video for the cube root. Okay, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, for my math channel, for more additional mathematics. Okay, bye bye.